loves Grandmama. Yes, Jesus loves Daddy. Yes, Jesus loves Daddy. Yes, Jesus loves Colleen. Yes, Jesus loves Jessie. Yes, Jesus loves Jessie. Yes, Jesus loves Edward. And Jesus loves Ewadu. Yes, Jesus loves Ella Doo-Doo. I never mean Ella Doo-Doo.
Who else did Jesus love, Belle? Belle, who else does Jesus love?
No, Ella.
Jesus loves Ella?
Yes, Jesus loves Mommy. Yes, Jesus loves Ella. You don't like a bunny.
You want my bunny here?
You don't like it.
Oh, I can wear your hat. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Are you going to wear the ears then?
Yeah.
Okay. You can wear the ears then. Oh, try again. Here.
Let me play ball.
Want me to help you?
Yes. Hi.
Good throw.
Yes, Jesus loves Ella. 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 Yes, Jesus loves Daddy. Yes, Jesus loves the kitchen. And that you will be back
You can purchase
Love
first
you,
and
love
second
you,
tickets.
love you.
Think of the
Love
fun
you, love you,
Dividends.
Whoa.
Bonked. Wipe out.
Yes, Jesus loves Ella. Yes, Jesus loves Ella.
You need help?
Yes.
Go. Hey. Say I love you. Belle, say I love you.
Wow. I did it.
You did it all by yourself, huh?
You dragged me down the way.